Got that notification that JB4 got here, so I took a lunch break to go pick it up from the house. Let's get it. We're here. Let's go check it out. Hell yeah. Not very patient. Got a new Dragy because mine didn't want to connect. So we got a new Dragy. This is what we all been waiting for. Come on. Heck yeah, look at that. JB4 ready to rip. Here, Chevy GMC. Nice little car. Thank you for your purchase. And overdue 2 port. And this is the one. Oh. This is for the sweet, guys. I don't know. I think that's all there. I did order the Bluetooth. Oh, there it is. I didn't see it right there. Oh, it's right in there, I guess. Sweet. Awesome. Well, guys, hopefully we'll get it on today. Hey, guys, so JB4, it's on. I can tell a difference. Be on the lookout for an update. My Dragy is not working. I ordered a new one. It's still not connecting, so I need to figure that out. Once I get that figured out, I'll post some results, you know, from stock to level 1, level 2, level 3 tune, and then we'll go from there. And if you want us to install it, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. If you want to, let me know, and I can go over the install real quick. I don't, you know, it's super easy, just 3 sensors. But yeah, just let me know, and subscribe, share, like, whatever they say, because we're YouTubers, right?